Hello, peoples. I am JoeDan54, and this isn't the season finale, is it? No, it's not. It's a bonus reaction. I've seen a few YouTubers do this that have reacting series. Pretty much reactions that wouldn't fit in an actual episode of the show, but I still want to react to. Or when I switch over to doing only requests, it'll be a spot where I can do like stuff that isn't request. Yeah, stuff that isn't request. Grammar are good. But anyways, this one will be the YTP Quickie. Gary Busey sets fire to the Amazon rainforest by the one and only EmperorLemon. It's only 1 minute and 55 seconds, and that's exactly why it is a bonus reaction and not an actual episode. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and...
How am I doing today, Gary Busey?
Okay.
My hands.
Gary Busey, alright.
Wow.
Wow!
And the other, humanity.
Oh! Oh, the humanity.
So powerful. Unlimited power! I'm like fucking Emperor Palpatine!
Okay.
In one of my hands is the red pill. In the other, I have the blue pill.
The blue... Oh! Oh!
My
Oh!
the seashell.
Amazon. Oh, I get it, Amazon.
Netflix. Prime Instant Netflix. Netflix.
Shrek. Shirk 5-week footage.
Somebody
Blue screen at that. Somebody. Smash Mouth.
Is my boomstick.
Oh.
Stick.
On a seashell.
Attack.
Try asking again.
And try asking.
Plug him in. Plug him in.
Oh.
Plug him in.
Philip Senior.
Whoa.
CD man.
Luigi.
Luigi.
Martini stick. YouTube.
Okay.
How am I doing today, Gary?
Oh, it's
You're
on
doing
YouTube.
great.
Great. I'll grab my money. Shut up and take my money.
Yeah, grab my money.
money. Shut up and take my money.
Oh, God. Amazon profits. Oh, my God. Meanwhile, at Amazon headquarters.
$100 billion.
That was entertaining. Gotta admit. That was good. Yeah. Thank you for that, EmperorLemon. That was good. Shrek defends his internet privacy. I've actually been requested that by someone. I forgot who it was, but yeah, they requested it, and that's about it. Look forward to the season finale, everybody. It should be pretty soon. I'm expecting it to be somewhere in early April, probably. Definitely April. Yeah. Well, hopefully you'll see me in my next walkthrough part in the time being. Bye-bye.